Hello friends, thanks for joining me in today's video. And today let us talk about the sixth important factor, the sixth important pillar that you need for success in your life and for success in whatever you want to achieve in your life. Towards working towards your outcome and towards your goal, you need some basic things that are required. If you are joining me today, let me brief something about this. Since this month, I have been discussing about the strategies to achieve success. Now, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you stay connected to me. Turn on the notification bell so you get a notification whenever I post a video, which is daily 2:30 p.m. IST. Right? I am Ashish Nagar and I am a YouTuber and NLP therapist and coach. And my basic working in this is stress, anxiety and depression. And as far as my knowledge goes, as far as I have observed and I have read and I have studied and my experience says, the basic problem in today's health sector is stress, anxiety and depression. There are so many problems that people are facing because of stress, anxiety and depression only, which are leading to physical and mental illnesses in people. And to help them out with this, I came up with my way of helping you out, and that is this talk about how to get the outcome or success in your life, right? So we are discussing about some basic pillars or the raw material that is needed for achieving success in the life. In my past videos, I have already discussed about 5 important pillars, that is the passion, the belief, the strategy, how we are going to achieve it, the value system and how to align your value system, and I have also discussed about energy, that how you can gain energy for doing the things. These were taken in brief and we will expand definitely on these topics as we go beyond in our video series. So I again thank you for joining, and today we are going to discuss about the 6th important thing, that is connecting with people or bonding with people, which is even more important for you to become successful, because you cannot achieve everything alone by yourself sitting at one place without getting in connection with anybody else in the world. So let us talk about something important, that is how you are going to learn bonding with people in today's video. Once again, I thank you for joining with me. I'll try to provide your value for the time you are investing in watching this video. Stay connected to me for more such wonderful videos, and let's talk about the bonding and how to make bonding with people. So friends, whoever has been successful in religion, in politics, in business, in any industry in the world has been positive about connecting with the people. Mahatma Gandhi alone would have taken the whole drive of independence, but he would have not been able to get it. He would not have been able to get independence for India if he would not have connected with the people. There is a strong connection in between the leaders of the world and the people that they are followed by. And if you are not able to connect with the people, if I am right now and I am speaking, if I am not getting in rapport with you, if I am not getting connected to you, if I am not bringing you to that energy level at which level I am performing and I am trying to explain you something, then you will not be here with me on this video. So what is this one thing? And that thing we know, we have been using it daily, and that is rapport. How to build rapport with people, that is a very important thing. There are principles that teach you to build rapport. This rapport is the thing that makes you actually charismatic. It makes you infectious. It makes you contagious. Wherever you go and meet, whichever people you meet, people get infected by you. They are so much impressed by you that they want to stay connected to you and they love to work with you. They love to develop themselves with you. This is rapport. So rapport is something, if you do not build rapport with your customers, if you do not have rapport with your co-workers, if you do not have rapport with your family members, if you do not have rapport with your wife or your kids or your parents, if you do not have rapport with your boss, if you do not have rapport with your colleagues, if you do not have rapport with the people working under you, if you do not have rapport with the clients you are dealing with, how are you going to do anything or get sales in your life? So building rapport is an important exercise that we have to learn. And there are very basic principles for that. Sir Dr. Milton Erickson was a psychologist who proposed a model for creating rapport with people. And that is known as a Milton model. We will be looking in detail about it when I discuss in detail about how to build rapport and how we are going to move towards that. To summarize it over here, let me tell you that there are two things with which we can actually learn to build rapport with people. And the first important thing in that is matching with the person. Whoever is sitting in front of you, you should learn to match with him. Like Dr. Milton said, that he got a guy who was saying, nothing is there in this life, this life is all gone, wasted, I am not able to do anything and I don't know why I am sitting here in front of you. So Dr. Milton replied, I know that the life is not so good and nothing is going well in your life and probably nothing is helping you out, but probably that is the only reason that why you are sitting over here, and that is the only reason that I might be able to help you out. So he used the same tonality that the patient used, so the patient felt that this person is just like me and so he will love to work with him. So he was convinced that Dr. Milton was able to help him out. So when you get a person in front of you, you have to match with the mood of the person. If there is a person who is speaking in a high pitch, hey, hi, how are you? I am fine. So what we are going to do today? And you talk to him in a way that, oh, it's fine, the day is very good and let us see what we can do today. So the person's pitch is high and your pitch is getting lower. You are not matching with the person. So he'll not be impressed with you and he'll not be interested to work with you. So you should try to match the pitch. So if a person says, hi, how are you? The day is great today. What we are going to do today? You should say, yes, definitely the day is great today and let us make plans for what we are going to do today and future and how we are going to deal with the problem that we have faced. So when you are speaking at the same pitch, the pitch difference that you had, both the people had, that is gone. So he feels that you are at the same energy level, you are at the same mental status level, and so he will love to work with you. So the first thing when we talk about rapport building is, this is very deep and this is psychologically researched, that you like to deal with people who are like you and who are having problems like you. Right? So same way, when I am discussing something with you, I have already undergone and experienced all these things. At certain point of my life, I was also in depression. I have also seen the turmoils. I have also seen the ups and downs in my life. And I have built myself researching all this what I am discussing with you. So I can convey it to you in so practical example or exemplification. Because this way we have been dealing. As a physiotherapist, I am working since last 18 years, and when a patient comes to me, right, I have to keep my pitch a little bit higher than the patient's pitch, so that the patient feels that I am here and the doctor is here, so the doctor will be able to help me out because he can elevate me a little bit to his level. So the patient starts feeling good. So this was something that we learn in medical practice, that how we have to build rapport with the patient. And anybody anywhere in the world working at any place, even if a shoe polish guy sitting on a footpath or pedestrian crossing and polishing the boots, need to build rapport with the person, so that the person steps on the next time over him and he stands and gets his shoes cleared. Every person in this world, if you are living as a social animal in the middle of the people, you need to learn to get along with people. And this is what is building rapport. So, a very important thing, please stay tuned. One thing I discussed was, in rapport, was that number one is matching yourself with your tone, with your physique, with your presentation, with your voice, with your physiology, with the person with whom you are communicating with. The second factor in this is mirroring the person. Right? So sometimes if your boss is doing something and he wants you to do the thing exactly as he is doing, you can just mirror him. This was a gross example. We will go in detail with matching and mirroring when I discuss in detail about Rapport. It is a very fascinating topic and I cannot complete it with as a part of this video. So I am leaving it for a further video. So stay tuned with me to learn matching and mirroring and become an excellent rapport builder, become a charismatic person, and wherever you go, with whomever you discuss, people love and want to be with you. And this was one characteristic that will take you towards your goal in much faster way, because people will love working with you. They will cooperate with you, they will compliment you, they will accompany you, and they will love to be with you. Right? So let's learn about this in further videos. I again thank you for joining me for this video and taking an idea about how to build rapport. We'll expand it definitely, but for that you have to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification and stay connected to me, because I am going to upload one video daily by default, leaving some points. There can be days when my videos are unable to upload because of any reason. Leaving those points, I'll try to provide you with one value added video daily, 2:30 p.m. IST. Stay connected with me, stay connected to this knowledge, stay connected to the information to get success in your life without stress, without any type of anxiety, and keeping the depression at the lowest point where it can be. Right? Stay home, stay safe, and stay in rapport with your goals, your values, and your outcome. So see you in the next video. Till then,